Hi guys, welcome to my video. So yesterday I made a video and published about unboxing of iPhone 15. Okay, and here is the phone, a Pro Max, i15 Pro Max, and I showed you all the accessories. But I also told you that I wouldn't be turning it on until I get the cover and protector. Now the important point of this phone is if you see the cameras, see the way they are exposed outside the lenses. So definitely you need some good protection and something that is specifically made for this. So I ordered this from Amazon and I'm gonna unbox it and then we are gonna proceed from there. So when I unbox this is what I get. Cleaning wipe, fine. Special protector for cameras. This is what I was talking about because you definitely need this rather than ordinary cover and case. Cleaning wipes and yeah, see, this is for the back side to hold it from the back. And what else you need? You also need a front cover, right? So that cover is for the front. So I have got everything and now I'm gonna apply to it one after one. The very first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna peel it off. Okay, and I'll apply the side cover. So we will start with this camera protector first because this is really important. So I have taken it off. Okay, so what we are supposed to do is we have to gently peel it off. Okay, and then we are gonna put it on camera. So but before we do that, I'm gonna clean this portion with one of the cleaning wipes. So I have taken the cleaning wipes and I am doing it. Okay, clean it thoroughly. So this portion is now ready and now I'm gonna proceed further. You see this, I'm gonna take this off. You have to do it gentle, so I'm gonna do it gently. Take it off. Okay, and then place them properly and adjust. Okay, the size matches. That's really important because if the size does not match, it's not gonna work at all. And then again uh, clean it so that now your protector is at its place. Next part is to apply this exterior cover. I'm gonna do that. So this is what has come with the package. It's very simple. There's nothing special about it. You see, you can do it yourself and you can peel it off. Wow. Now what's the final stage is to put the guard on it, like the front screen guard on it. Okay, and it has got some steps that you must follow. So I'm gonna do that once more. I'm gonna clean the screen. Okay, I have another wipe that I'm gonna take and I'm gonna clean the screen. So cleaning is going on. I'm gonna finish it pretty soon. All right, done. Now it's time to take off my screen protector. So you see this has been given. So the front layer will be removed and then I'm gonna stick on it and I'll try to show you as much as I can. See, they give one section to peel it off and using that I'm peeling it off and then I'm gonna place on top of it. And after applying everything, now the phone is ready. So I'm gonna work more and I'm gonna publish more videos. Thanks for watching.